Park Meadows Outpatient Surgery Center was the first surgical facility in Douglas County over 10 years ago. It's a state-licensed and Joint Commission accredited surgical facility. In other words, it's not just a surgical suite, which is a term often used for operating rooms that surgeons commonly have in their offices. The difference between that and an independent surgical center is the fact that there are an accreditation process and an inspection process that goes on a regular and routine basis. There are standards that we are held to that are not just self-placed standards, but standards that are recognized state standards that both hospitals and other ambulatory surgical facilities use. Park Meadows Outpatient Surgery is proud to be partnered with South Denver Anesthesia, which is an anesthesia group that provides the anesthesia services for all of our patients. This allows us to provide a comprehensive care for our patients, that we don't have to cut corners in any fashion when it comes to anesthesia and safety. Park Meadows Outpatient Surgery is also licensed to keep patients overnight for 23 hours, which means that patients who are having maybe a little longer procedure will have the opportunity, rather than going home an hour or two after their surgical procedure in the recovery room, to stay overnight under the care of nurses and staff that can then both administer pain medicines as well as observe them until the next day when they're able to go home.